Stop scrolling for a second. There's a $300 habit that keeps millions of people broke year after year. The worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Meet Jake. He works hard every day and earns a decent income, but somehow his bank account never seems to grow. Every time Jake feels bored or stressed, he grabs his phone. Just a few taps and something new is on the way. Nothing expensive, just small purchases. A gadget here, a subscription there, and a few convenience purchases in between. At first, these expenses feel harmless. They're so small that Jake barely notices them. That's exactly what makes them dangerous. Streaming services, delivery apps, premium memberships, monthly subscriptions quietly stack on top of each other. Jake tells himself, it's only a few dollars, but he says that about every single expense. One night, he orders dinner instead of cooking. It feels convenient and he doesn't think much about it. Then another expense appears, and another, and another. Small leaks start draining the entire bucket. When Jake finally adds everything together, he's shocked. Those tiny purchases total nearly $300 every month. Think about that, $300 every month. That's money that could have been building his future. Instead, it's disappearing into habits that bring only temporary satisfaction. The money leaves, but nothing really changes. Month after month, Jake wonders why saving feels impossible. The answer has been hiding in plain sight. Every dollar is a choice. Spend it today, or let it help create a better tomorrow. So Jake decides to investigate. He writes down every expense and tracks where his money actually goes. What he discovers surprises him. Several subscriptions haven't been used in months. One by one, he starts canceling the things he doesn't need. Each cancellation feels like a small victory. Instead of wasting that money, Jake puts it into savings. For the first time, his account starts growing. He also makes coffee at home more often, a simple change that saves money every single week. Next, he starts cooking more meals himself. The savings add up much faster than he expected. After a few months, Jake notices something amazing. His savings graph is finally moving upward. The extra money gives him confidence. He feels more in control of his future. Now, when an ad tries to tempt him, he pauses and thinks before buying. That small pause changes everything. Jake begins learning more about money. The more he learns, the smarter his decisions become. His savings continue growing, and for the first time he feels like he's making real progress. When he compares his old habits to his new ones, the difference is huge. The change didn't happen overnight, but it happened. Jake realizes something important. Building wealth isn't about earning more. It's hundreds of small habits repeated every month. Change the habit, and you can change your financial future.